Great Friday, a fantastic Friday. Here it's sunny and blue skies in northern Israel. And, well, just to put it very clearly, what is happening with the Bitcoin and crypto markets? As you can see, since yesterday, the assets have been moving along very nicely according to the VEPs, as we indicated they would in yesterday's Alpha Trading live stream, when we told you exactly what the targets would be to look out for. And indeed, those are the targets that hit to the downside in the 91K area, exactly on that normal distribution level from whence they bounced. And they're up already. Last I looked about a half hour ago, about 3.77% from that low yesterday. I don't know where they are right now because I've been looking at my computer for the last half hour. Who knows? Maybe they fell back down. Maybe they're where they were, or maybe it's rising a bit more. Whatever you know, the VEPs don't lie. They are leading information, and they tell you where the asset is likely to go at all times, on any time frame, on any asset, where you can see enough, well, where you can see anything about the data. Obviously, the more data you have, the better. But when it comes to very liquid coins, Bitcoin, Solana, Liquid, Solana, Litecoin, even Ethereum, all the different assets that people are usually trading liquid, those are absolutely fantastic to monitor with the VEPs. In fact, every asset is really. It's a question of the asset monitoring has good history. Why does it matter? Well, if an asset doesn't really have a good history, yes, you can still see some information on the super low time frames, but you won't really see any information on the higher time frames if it doesn't have enough history for it. And that can sometimes, mess up things if you're trying to trade, get an idea on what's happening in the super high time frames. But generally speaking, if you're trading crypto assets that have been around for at least a few years or so, you can at least trade like up to the daily or so time frame, or you can at least monitor up to the daily or so time frame and trade obviously down to the lower time frames where VEPs traders generally like to trade, whether it's crypto assets or traditional assets. They like to trade down in the 15-minute and lower time frames, generally speaking. There are people who trade higher time frames than that, of course. But in terms of what we recommend at Alpha Trading is to not swing trade volatile assets, and definitely not swing trade volatile assets when you're using leverage. That is extremely risky. How risky? Well, consider the recent pumps and dumps over the past few weeks, right? Price going up over the past couple of months, in fact, right? From like 60 whatever K right before the election to over 100K in mid-December, back down to like 91K, right? And then back up now, 94, whatever it is, right? These are significant moves. Don't get wrecked. And we know that a lot of people keep getting wrecked every day. We see it on liquidation pool charts. We saw in the last couple of days $500 million each day, like 180,000 plus, 190,000 traders getting wrecked. And most of the accounts are getting wrecked. The average is like $2,500, $3,000. Right? They're not huge amounts. Those are tiny amounts. It's like spot on the average. Why? Because that's what exchanges know is the average that they get deposit-wise, and they proceed to wreck those traders, or they get $5,000 or $10,000 in their accounts, and they proceed to lose that money over the course of 60 to 90 days because they use ridiculous amounts of leverage, and they lose their money quickly. So don't be like that. Learn to trade properly, and catch you in Alpha Trading HQ.com/Discord. See you guys there. Alpha Trading HQ.com/Discord. It's free to join. Come learn a better way to trade. See ya.